Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this bouncy, flowy, human hair yaki ponytail from YGwigs. Girl, this ponytail is everything. I never would have thought that I would like a yaki textured ponytail until I met this one. Now this one is the perfect length. I mean, it's the perfect density. I just absolutely love it. It's soft. It's gorgeous. It's just everything, girl. It's human hair. How can you not like human hair, sis? But nonetheless, let's get right into it. Alright, girl. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This is how the ponytail came packaged, just like this. Again, this is from YGwigs.com. Now, this is a human hair yaki style ponytail. Wait. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what comes in the box. Looks like we have some type of thank you / style catalog with a bunch of your favorite YouTubers inside. Maybe you recognize some of them. Okay, a lot of their wig styles. They do specialize in lace front wigs, frontal wigs, bundles, and all of that type of thing. Alright, so it does come with a little catalog. Alright. But let's get into the main attraction, girl. This is it right here. We got it nicely packaged in a little YG paper. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out of that paper. What do we got? Okay, so we have a human hair 22-inch yaki straight pony. Now this one is going to mimic black girl hair really good. So this is going to be great for both naturals and relaxed. Alright, so this is how it looks straight out of the pack. It's already fully extended for us. This is what a drawstring ponytail construction looks like. You have a comb at the top, comb at the bottom, along with a adjustable strap. With a drawstring, if you will. I want to take it out of the netting. Okay. Alright. She's cute. And this is like a natural color. A cross between like a 2 and a 1B. More so on the number 2 side. Okay. But this is like a natural black brown situation. 22 inches. 22 inches is a nice length. Especially if you want to put like a bump at the end. Like a little curl. That'll be really cute for this one. Alright, I feel like 22 inches is just a nice length for a ponytail. It gives you some hang time. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the little cardstock thingamabob. We're going to cut it off. Okay, but you can wear it on your ponytail if you want to. If you want to. But this is what it looks like. Okay, once again. And now we are ready to install. Before I install her, let me get my real hair situated. Alright, we're just gonna give it a nice tucky tuck. Like this, like so. Ball it up a little, you know. Since it's a low ponytail, it doesn't have to be balled up tight. But if you're doing a high ponytail, I would ball it up a little tighter, but this works for this. I've been feeling my low ponytails lately. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead. Normally I do my pre-wrap, but I don't have any hair quite this yaki, so we're going to make it do what it do with the ponytail hair. So I just attached it at the top of my actual ponytail. You know how I do. I like to make my drawstrings look as realistic as possible. I don't stick my ponytails up here into my actual hair where it's drawn back into the ponytail. That just looks not the most aesthetically pleasing to me, so I don't do it. And plus I don't like the way the combs feel, you know, pressing down into my scalp. I hate that, and it just gives me a headache that lasts all day and for days. So now that I have all my combs in place, I just close up the ponytail just like this, just by you know, pulling the drawstring. Alright, okay, now that I have it at my desired tightness. We can coil this up and pin it up, or you can just tuck it under the cap or the inside of the ponytail. I'm just going to tuck it in. It's just most convenient for me, and it always works. It never comes down. And yeah, this is cute. And as far as my pre-wrap, this is enough hair, and I got it in a good position to where I can just take some of this and wrap it around just like I would normally, you know. This ponytail is super cute. Super cute. I like these, but like I said, I suggest you getting it longer. I've had a company send me a shorter one. I just could not get into that shorter one. It looked more like an afro puff than a ponytail, and I want to say it was like 18 inches, but it looked more like a puff. Now I'm just going to take a hairpin and secure the end of my wrap, okay? Just take a pin and pin that hair down so it's not, you know, coming undone on us. We keep our cute ponytail style going. Okay, she's cute. Can you see it? Yes, girl. I'm feeling it, and it does look like, but my hair is relaxed though, so I can get away with wearing this ponytail in between when my hair is getting a little more. I know y'all hate it when I say nappy, but girl, I got to say it. My hair gets nappy, honey. These are not curls. My hair gets nappy. So when my hair is on the nappier side, this looks good, okay? It just mimics the way my hair would look at the base. Alright, girl, but this ponytail just looks so cute. I absolutely love it. Now you could put, like I said, a rod roller or flexi rod roller at the end to give it some bounce and some curl, but I absolutely love it just like this. It just looks so natural. I love it. Look at it. Like I said, this is like the perfect length, and it's human hair. I am in love with this ponytail. This one's super cute, girl. So be sure to check out YGwigs. Check out their direct link. It's going to be in the description box, girl. Now if you wanted to take some of the kink out, you could give it some light strokes with the flat iron, but girl, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it just like this because this one's actually really pretty. This one's super cute. It literally looks like my hair. Looks just like my hair. I love this one. Okay, this one's definitely a winner. But girl, let me know what you think of today's ponytail, girl. If you've never been into ponytails before, girl, this one's definitely the one to pick up to keep in the collection. It's human hair. You're gonna have it for forever. You can do whatever you want to it, and with it being human hair, if you wanted to color it, you can definitely do that. You can add highlights, girl. Change the whole color if you want to. You can do that if you like, but girl, this is perfect for me. I'm gonna leave it just like this. I'm loving it. But that is it for me, girl. Thank you so much for watching. Share the video. Tell your mama, your great-grandmama, your cousins, your sisters, the kids, girl. Get the kids involved. Let them sit down and watch the video too. Y'all all give it a thumbs up from your phone, your iPad, your computer, whatever you got to do it from, girl. Give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down too if you want. If that's your thing, if you're that one, girl, make sure you leave that thumbs down. All the interaction helps. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye. But be sure to check out YGwigs. Okay, this one is bomb.com. I am in love with this ponytail, and the hair is just so soft. Ooh. Bye.